Mr. Chairman, Ranking Member, thank you for holding this hearing as well. I have the honor of getting to introduce two nominees. We have multiple openings in the Western District of Oklahoma. We have two that I'd like to introduce. You have already recognized Senator Inhofe, who's submitted a statement for the record. I appreciate you submitting that for the record. Suzanne Mitchell and Scott Polk. Let me begin, as well we should, with ladies first here, with Suzanne Mitchell. She has multiple family members that are here with her today, and I hope that she will introduce all of them when she comes here, including her husband and children and family members that are here. She began serving on the bench as U.S. Magistrate Judge in the Western District of Oklahoma on February the 1st, 2013. She serves on the Court-Assisted Recovery Court, a reentry court that provides an intensive treatment-focused program to assist recently released offenders to reintegrate into society. In addition, she chairs Rotary Club 29 Open World Legal Scholars Committee, which assists in the coordination and planning of legal education visits sponsored by the Open World Leadership Center. She's been named a master and will serve as the vice president of the William J. Holloway American Inn of Court 2016-2017. She was president-elect for the Oklahoma City chapter of the Federal Bar Association for 2016 and 17. She's a regular presenter on the National Federal Bar Association and chairs its bench and bar committee. She also serves on the Constitution and Bylaws Committee and is outreach coordinator and vice president of programs for the FBA's Oklahoma City chapter. She's a member of the Administrative Office of the United States Courts of Magistrate Judges Advisory Group. As a graduate from Georgetown University's School of Foreign Service, she has also studied at the London School of Economics. She has served as the Oklahoma City State Chair for the Georgetown Alumni Admission Program since 2009. A graduate of Leadership Oklahoma City, she chaired the Oklahoma Visual Arts Coalition for 3 years and continues to serve on its board. She's also served on the board of various nonprofits, including the Red Bud Classic and the Safe Kids of Oklahoma. She earned her law degree with high honors from George Washington University. She has served as an appellate practitioner of the U.S. Attorney's Office in the Western District of Oklahoma, as senior law clerk for former U.S. 10th Circuit Judge Robert Henry, and in the Corporate and Securities Department at McAfee Taft's Oklahoma City office. She and her husband, Sam Fulkerson, have 4 children who I hope they will introduce later. Scott Polk and his wife Laura and sons Spencer and Ryan will also be recognized today, and I hope will go through this process. Scott joined the University of Oklahoma College of Law as the Assistant Dean of Students after 19 years of public service as a state and federal prosecutor. Dean Polk graduated in 1992 from the OU College of Law, where he began his legal career as a legal intern for the District 21 District Attorney's Office, serving Cleveland, Garvin, and McLean counties. Immediately upon graduating and passing the bar, he became an assistant district attorney for Cleveland County, where he prosecuted a variety of crimes and death penalty cases. In 1994, he became the Multi-County Drug Task Force Coordinator, initiating and directing the district's first wire interception drug investigation, coordinating federal and local resources, culminating in the successful prosecution of a significant multi-county methamphetamine distribution organization. The Association of Oklahoma Narcotics Enforcers awarded him Prosecutor of the Year in 1993. In 1999, he became the first Assistant District Attorney for District 21 and served in dual prosecutorial and administrative roles. In 2002, Dean Polk joined the U.S. Attorney's Office for the Western District of Oklahoma as an assistant U.S. attorney prosecuting violent crimes, gangs, and domestic terrorism. In 2004, he became the Deputy Criminal Chief of the United States Attorney's Office and served in the additional roles of Violent Crime, National Security Coordinator, Anti-Terrorism Advisory Council Coordinator, Crisis Management Coordinator, and others. That same year, the Oklahoma Gang Investigators Association awarded him Prosecutor of the Year, and the Executive Office of the United States Attorneys awarded him Director's Award for Superior Performance. In 2005, the Drug Enforcement Administration awarded him the Certificate of Appreciation for outstanding contributions in the field of drug law enforcement. In his most recent roles as the United States Attorney's Office, he supervised administrative staff and assistant U.S. attorneys, handling a criminal caseload primarily consisting of national security and organized crimes, and coordinating efforts with the FBI Joint Terrorism Task Force, FBI Foreign Counterintelligence Squad, and the National Securities Division of the Department of Justice. His work in national security matters included both traditional criminal investigations as well as investigations utilizing provisions of the Foreign Intelligence Surveillance Act. In 2011, the FBI awarded him the Director's Certificate of Appreciation for assistance to the Joint Terrorism Task Force. Throughout his prosecutorial career, Dean Polk has provided instruction and training at the local and national levels for outlaw motorcycle gangs, for the Oklahoma Gang Investigations Association, Patriot Act, Section 908, intelligence training for the U.S. Attorney's Office, managing national security investigations for the National Advocacy Center, crisis management training for the National Advocacy Center, RICO investigations for the National Advocacy Center, and computer forensics for the National Advocacy Center, and wiretap investigations. In addition to his duties as Assistant Dean of Students at the College of Law, Dean Paulk will serve on the Threat Assessment and Review Committee on the main campus, as well as serve in a consulting role in a variety of matters with the Office of General Counsel. Both these are qualified applicants. We have 3 openings currently in the Western District. This would fill 2 of those 3 openings that we have currently. Look forward to their testimony before you and movement towards the Senate and the floor. With that, I yield back.